Hello friends, I am Professor Shivam Sharge, Department of Mathematics from SM Joshi College, Hadapsar. This is our fifth lecture on group theory. In this lecture, we are studying subgroups. What is meant by subgroup? Firstly, we discuss about the subsets. What is meant by subset? Let H is a subset of G. Whenever H is a subset of G, that is all the elements of H are contained in G, then we can say that H is a subset of G. H is a subset of G. Means what is the definition of subgroup? What is the definition of subgroup? The subgroup H is a subset of G, that is let H be a subset of G, H be a subset of G, and H is said to be subgroup of G, if H itself forms a group under binary operation defined on G. म्हणजेच काय झालं बघा, H हा G चा सबसेट पाहिजे आणि H हा स्वतः काय पाहिजे, ग्रुप पाहिजे, इटसेल्फ ग्रुप पाहिजे अंडर बायनरी ऑपरेशन डिफाइंड ऑन G. म्हणजे G वरचे जे ऑपरेशन आहे त्याच ऑपरेशनला घेऊन तो काय फॉर्म केला पाहिजे ना, ग्रुप फॉर्म केला पाहिजे. आणि असं जर झालं तर H हा G चा काय असतो, सब ग्रुप असतो, अदरवाइज नसतो. Are you clear this definition? Let H is a subset of G and H itself forms a group under binary operation defined on G, then H is called subgroup of G. H is called subgroup of G. For example, if we know that Z with respect to addition forms a group, and also set of rational numbers with respect to addition forms a group, and Z is subset of rational numbers. म्हणजे रॅशनल नंबरचा सेट हा ग्रुप फॉर्म करतो, Z विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ऍडिशन सुद्धा ग्रुप फॉर्म करतो, आणि Z हा जर Q चा सबसेट असेल तर Z हा Q चा राहिला सबग्रुप झाला. दॅट इज Z विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ऍडिशन इज सबग्रुप ऑफ Q विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ऍडिशन. म्हणजे ऑपरेशन सेम पाहिजे आणि Z हा त्याचा काय पाहिजे, सबग्रुप पाहिजे, म्हणजे सबसेट पाहिजे. H इज सबसेट ऑफ K पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज show that 2Z with respect to addition is a subgroup of Z. We know that in the solution Z is equal to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and up to so on, and 2Z is equal to multiples of 2, it means 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 and up to so on. That is 2Z is subset of. We know that 2Z is a subset of Z because all the elements of 2Z are contained in Z. Therefore, 2Z is subset of Z. Now we have to show that 2Z itself forms a group. 2Z itself forms a group. For next means claim 2Z forms a group. For proving this 2z forms a group, we have to show that 2z with respect to addition satisfying the four conditions: closures, associativity, existence of identity, and existence of inverse. For proving this, first closure. In a closure property, we are taking let A comma B belongs to 2z. We know that addition of two even integer is again an integer. That is, we know that addition of two even integer is again even integer. This implies A plus B belongs to 2z, that is A star B belongs to 2z. Here star is the addition. So A star B belongs to 2z. Therefore 2z is closed under binary operation star. That is 2z is closed under binary operation addition. Now we show the second property, associativity. We know that taking let A, B, C belongs to H, and we have to show that A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. But here H is a subset of G. Therefore, all the elements of H are in a G. Here G is a group. Here G is a group. This implies G satisfies associativity. आता बघा याच्यामध्ये काय केलंय, H हा G चा सबसेट आहे, म्हणजे H मधले सगळे एलिमेंट कसे असणार आहेत, G मध्ये असणार आहेत. G विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ऍडिशन ग्रुप फॉर्म करतो, म्हणजे G काय सॅटिस्फाय करणार आहे, असोसिएटिव्हिटी सॅटिस्फाय करणार आहे. आणि G मधले सगळेच एलिमेंट जर असोसिएटिव्हिटी सॅटिस्फाय करत असतील तर आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे, हेन्स H मधले पण सगळे एलिमेंट काय करणार आहेत, असोसिएटिव्हिटी फॉर्म करणार, म्हणजे हेन्स H सॅटिस्फाइज associativity. Hence H satisfies associativity, H associativity hold in H. That is second property is hold. Third, existence of identity. For finding existence of identity, let us take A belongs to 2z. That is A of the form. Okay. We have to find E such that A plus E is equal to A. This implies E is equal to 0. And it belongs to 2z. 0 belongs to 2z. Therefore identity exists in H. That is in 2z. Now we have to find existence of inverse. It is 4. Existence of inverse. For finding existence of inverse, let A belongs to 2z. And we have to find B belongs to 2z such that A plus B is equal to identity. As it is, B is equal to 0, therefore B is equal to minus A. B is equal to minus A. K is equal to 2K for some K, मतलब B is equal to minus 2K for some K. Therefore, B implies B belongs to Z. B belongs to Z. Therefore, inverse of each element exists in each element in to Z is existing to Z. Therefore, fourth property is hold. Therefore, by first, second, and third, and fourth, we get 2Z forms a group under addition. Here, 2Z is a subset of Z, and 2Z forms a group under addition. This implies 2Z is a subgroup of Z. This implies 2Z is a subgroup of Z. Next, next example, let G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. It forms a group. Example, show that it forms a group under multiplication and show that G is equal to set containing 1 minus 1 I minus I forms a group under multiplication and 1 minus 1 is a subgroup of G. That is, we have to show that, firstly we have to show that G forms a group, and nextly we have to show that set containing 1 minus 1, that is X is equal to 1 minus 1 is a subgroup of G. So firstly we have to show that G forms a group. G forms a group. Therefore, we have to show that four properties transform in the logic. For closure property, under multiplication, 1 minus 1 I minus I, 1 minus 1 I minus I. We create a table for multiplication. 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 I minus I. By multiplying by minus 1, we get minus 1 1 minus I 1 I minus I into I square is equal to minus 1, and I into I square minus or minus plus 1. Next, for minus into minus plus I plus 1 or minus, because I square is equal to minus 1. I square is equal to 1. Here we see that multiplication is closer, because if AB belongs to G, then A star B is also belongs to G. Therefore G is closer under multiplication. G is closed up under multiplication. Second associate. Here we see that A dot B into C is equal to A dot B the C. Therefore, associativity holds in G. Thus, existence of identity. In this table, we see that those the element that is here, that is A star E, for A belongs to G, find E belongs to G such that A star E is equal to, that is A into E is equal to. Here we see that 1 into 1 is equal to 1, minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1, I into 1 is equal to I, and minus I into 1 is equal to minus I, that is here E is equal to 1. E is equal to 1. Fourth, existence of S. Existence of S. Here we see that inverse of 1 means A into B is equal to identity, that is A into B is equal to 1. That is product is 1, so 1 inverse of 1 is 1. म्हणजे एक चा इन्वर्स काय एक आहे, -1 नं कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं म्हणते तर -1 into -1 is equal to means -1 inverse is equal to -1 and I inverse is equal to I ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर 1 येते बरोबर, I ला -i, so I inverse is equal to -i and -i inverse is equal to I. Minus I inverse is equal to I. So the inverse of each element exists in a G. Therefore, G forms an group with respect to multiplication. G forms a group with respect to multiplication. Now, next we have to show that. Next we have to show that H is equal to 1 minus 1 forms 1 minus 1 is a subgroup of G. It's a subgroup of G. Here we see that 1 minus 1 is subset of 1 minus 1 I minus I, that is H is a subset of G. That is, we have to only show that we have to only show that H is a subgroup of G. That is, we have to only show that H is a subgroup of G. For proving this, we have to show that we have to only show that H is the subgroup of G. That is, H itself forms a group. Sorry, that is, we have to only show that H itself forms a group. For proving this, we have to show that this set satisfying these four conditions: first, closure; second, associativity; third, existence of identity; and fourth one is the existence of inverse. First, closure. We are taking fastly, so 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, by multiplying we get 1 into 1 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 into 1 minus 1 1. Here we see that A star of B belongs to G, that is, it is closed. H is closed under multiplication. H is closed under multiplication. Second, associativity. We know that H is a subset of G. H is a subset of G, but G forms a group, therefore G forms a group, therefore all the elements, G forms a group, therefore G satisfying associative condition, and H is a subset of G, therefore all the elements of H are in G. Associativity holds in a G, hence it is hold in a H. याचं कारण काय बघा, का तर H मध्ये सगळे G मध्ये आणि G मध्ये असोसिएटिव्ह होल्ड मध्ये, म्हणून H मध्ये सुद्धा होणार आहे, म्हणून काय म्हणतात, hence it is hold in H. तर existence of inverse. Existence of inverse मध्ये काय होतं बघा, सॉरी, existence of identity. Here we see that existence of identity, that is for A belongs to H, A star E is equal to A. That is, we have to find E such that A star E is equal to A. Here we see that 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. That is, A star E is equal to A. That here E is equal to 1 by this table. Here we see that by this table identity is equal to 1. म्हणजे जर 1 ऑपरेट केला तर काही फरक पडत नाही. Now we have to find existence of inverse. Next, existence of inverse. Here we see that inverse of 1 is equal to, that is A star B. A star B is equal to identity, that is here multiplication with respect to, so A into B is equal to, for 1 into 1 is equal to 1, therefore 1 inverse is equal to 1, and minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1, therefore minus 1 inverse is equal to 1. Minus 1 inverse is equal to 1. Therefore inverse of each element in a H is in H. Therefore H itself forms a group. H itself forms a group. Now, by definition of subgroup, H is a subset of G. Now, by definition of subgroup, H is a subset of G, and H itself forms a group under binary operation defined on G. Therefore, H is a subgroup of G. H is a subgroup of G. Next, we have an example. Show that Z6 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G is equal to Z6 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With respect to binary operation, addition modulo 6. With respect to binary operation, addition modulo 6. Then show that then G is a group. Then G is a group. That is, we have to show that if G is equal to Z6 is equal to set containing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with respect to addition modulo 6. Then we have to show that G it forms a group. So solution, we have to show that G satisfies 4 conditions. First, closure. So we are getting 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar and 5 bar, and here we are getting 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar and 5 bar with respect to addition modulo 6. In this, by definition of addition modulo 6, A addition modulo 6B is equal to C, then that is equal to C if C is less than 6 and is equal to remainder when C is divided by 6 whenever it is greater than 6 or C is greater than 6. Here condition is C हा जर 6 पेक्षा लहान असेल तर आहे तसा C लिहायचा आणि C हा जर 6 किंवा 6 पेक्षा मोठा झाला 6 किंवा 6 पेक्षा मोठा असेल तर त्याला 6 ने डिवाइड करायचा आणि जो रिमाइंडर येईल तो लिहायचा असतो. म्हणून A addition modulo 6B is equal to C whenever C is less than 6 आहे तसं लिहायचा आणि जर C हा greater than equal to 6 असेल तर आपल्याला काय लिहायचं रिमाइंडर when C is divided by 6 म्हणजे C ला 6 ने डिवाइड करायचं लिहायचं काय रिमाइंडर लिहायचं म्हणजे 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 bar 1 bar 2 bar 3 bar 4 bar 5 bar 1 bar 2 bar 3 bar 4 bar 5 bar and 0 bar because 1 bar plus 5 bar is equal to 6 bar and 6 is greater than equal to 6, therefore whenever 6 is divided by 6 then remainder is 0. Now 2 bar 3 bar 4 bar 5 bar 0 bar and 1 bar. Here 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and 7 is divided by 6, then remainder is 1. Now 3 bar 4 bar 5 bar 0 bar 1 bar 2 bar. Next 4 bar 5 bar 0 bar 1 bar 2 bar 3 bar 5 bar 0 bar 1 bar 2 bar 3 bar and 4 bar. Now here we see that A star B belongs to G, because if AB belongs to G, here we see that if A star B belongs to G, then A addition modulo 6B belongs to G. Therefore G is closed under addition modulo 6. Second, associate. By this table, we see that A addition modulo 6, B addition modulo 6C is equal to A addition modulo 6B plus addition modulo 6C. So associativity holds in Z6. Associativity holds in Z6. Third, existence of identity. Existence of identity. Here we have to find A addition modulo 6E is equal to A. Addition modulo 6E is equal to A. That is, we have to find E. Here we see that this number 0 bar plus 0 bar is equal to 0, 1 bar plus 0 bar is equal to 1 bar, 2 bar plus 0 bar is equal to 2 bar, 3 bar plus 0 bar is equal to 3 bar. For same for 4 bar and 5 bar, that is A bar plus E bar is equal to A bar. Therefore E is equal to 0. E is equal to 0 1. That is identity exists in a Z6. Now we have to find existence of inverse. Existence of inverse. For finding inverse, we have to find A addition modulo 6B is equal to identity. Here identity is 0 bar, so A addition modulo 6B is equal to 0 bar. For 0 bar, inverse of 0 bar is 0 bar. Inverse of 1 bar is equal to 1 bar. With respect to A addition is 0. म्हणजे 1 bar बरोबर काय ऍड केल्यानंतर 0 चं बरोबर 2 bar 3 bar 4 bar काय ऍड केल्यानंतर 5 bar. that is inverse of 1 bar is 5 bar. Inverse of 2 bar is 4 bar. that is if we add 4 bar with 2 bar we get a 0 bar. Inverse of 3 bar is equal to 3 bar. Inverse of 4 bar is equal to 2 bar. Inverse of 5 bar is equal to 1 bar. Inverse of 5 bar is equal to 1 bar. That is inverse of each element exists in a Z6. Inverse of each element exists in a Z6. Therefore G forms a group with respect to addition modulo 6. Thank you. In our next theorem we are seeing the subgroups of Z6. We will stop here. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.